Hi, this is Keith from Universal English. This is another little video for my teachers. It's just about the ideas behind correction and feedback. I just want to point out to you guys, while you are giving feedback, something that we normally do while you're correcting papers, something that you normally do on your own with a cup of coffee at home in the evening, it's one of those things that you can actually benefit from, and your relationship with your students can benefit from if you share that process with them. We are already giving our students this time, very, very personal time. You're concentrating on their work, but the student will never appreciate that, because what they see is that you give them a piece of paper that's already corrected. They don't understand that you've spent time with it. They don't even think about it. They just look at the grade at the bottom and stick it in a bag and think no more. With a video, they have the opportunity to realize that you are spending personal time with them and their work. You're giving them a very personalized feedback. Everything is about them. And in that way, you support them in their process of learning the language. So I think it's a really great idea if you take advantage of that time. Make sure that they can access these videos, and it will help them feel supported, because one of the main reasons that students drop away from courses is the feeling of a lack of support from the people that are educating them. You can have a huge amount of material on the course, but if the student doesn't feel that you are giving them any of your personal time, they're just going to fade away in front of you, and that's not going to be a good thing. So this is one of those areas where this kind of technology can take something that's to date been a very, very private and personal thing, where you're sitting on your own in your house, doing this correction work in the evening, and you can actually share that time with the student so that they can appreciate that you're putting your time into them, that you are investing in them, and that can only be beneficial. I think it's a very, very supportive thing to do, and I think it's beneficial. It certainly shows up in the figures to date that are being kept, that it helps students continue and finish courses rather than drop out halfway through, because they feel that they're really just a number, and not being recognized as a human being. Let's face it, learning English, learning anything, in fact, is a human process, and you have to take care of the human being as well as, doing the basic nuts and bolts of the job. So that's it. Just think about that while you're doing your correction. You've got this idea, yes, you're correcting the mistakes of the day, but also you're looking after the person that's behind those mistakes, and you're trying to make some kind of connection, and you're helping them to recognize that you're paying attention to them. So that's one of the things. End of video. Hope you get that and, maybe use it when we move forward.